humans, welcome back to another video, and I'm going to be showing you how to put cards into the new YouTube studio, which I don't like. I'm going to have a poll up there to see if you like it or not. Just press open in new tab. That's easier than just clicking it, because just clicking it just makes it go all weird and I don't like it. Delete that tab. Delete that because I'm going to show you how to put a channel in it. Press add card, channel, the channel link, which for example, this is Robert Jean's YouTube channel. Just type it twice if you really want to. Press create card if you want to create the card, which I do want to create the card. And how you create a poll is have a question about what you are wondering about. Like, has this helped you? Yes. And also you have up to choice 5. See? If I can scroll down. See, it says you can't add another choice. Just to make sure the poll is actually working. Just see if you have the questions typed right. Like, can you use the music disc? That's spelled right. It's broken. Yes, it is broken for Pocket Edition for some reason. Yes, no, kind of, other. And also, if you're enjoying these videos on this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell and said YouTube something that I cannot understand, sad face. It's probably the pig step, surprisingly. This is the pig step video, and also it's my second most popular video. Not for long, it's going to be my first most popular video soon. And this is how to add a video or playlist. Press the video, or you can link the video that you have, like this one. Let me show you real quick. It says, cards are more effective when they're not too close together. Try spacing them out. So you have to space them out like seconds. Not minutes, human. And also this is how you delete a card. Press the trash button. And video or playlist, it just has a few of your videos that are pretty recent than all of your playlists if you don't have that many playlists. Like, see, human, you just press this and it says working, then it's good. Except it should be Minecraft because this is Minecraft. I mean Minecraft, son of a nutcracker. That's better. Yep, that's better. That's a lot better. And also, you can't have a card 20 seconds before the video ends, because if you have an end screen on it, it doesn't really work. And also, it says, when you're finished, close this tab. And for some reason, it says, this version of YouTube is going away soon. Switch to new YouTube. But there is no new YouTube right now. It says, try experimental features. And it says, please check back later. Sorry, no experimental features are available right now. It's because the new experimental features just came out, you son of a nutcracker. Sad face noises. Well, this should be about it for this video, and I did not mean to open a new tab. Bye.